In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a status message in Microsoft Teams. Setting a clear status message is a simple but powerful way to let your colleagues know what you're doing, when you're available, and how best to reach you. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start using it with confidence. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Teams is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your picture, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and presence. In the menu that appears, find the option that says Set Status Message and click on it. This is the feature we'll be using to share a short note with your teammates about what's going on. When you click it, a small window or panel will pop up where you can customize your message. Now you'll see a text box where you can type in your status message. Click inside that box and start typing. You might write something like, "In a meeting, please message instead of calling, working remotely today," or "On a break, back at 3 p.m. Try to keep your message short, clear, and specific so people immediately understand your situation. Remember, this is what others will see when they hover over your name or chat with you, so write it in a professional and helpful way. Below the text box, you'll see an option to choose when this message should clear. This controls how long your status message stays visible. Click on the drop-down menu or the time selector, and you'll see several choices, such as clearing the message in an hour, later today, this week, or leaving it on until you turn it off manually. Pick the option that best fits your situation. For example, if you're in a short meeting, choosing an hour might make sense. If you're out of the office for the day, selecting the longer option is more appropriate. Once you've typed your message and selected when it should clear, the last step is to click on Done. This saves your status message and applies it to your account. After you click Done, your message is active and your colleagues will be able to see it when they interact with you in Teams. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set a status message in Microsoft Teams.